under another video. Hi, well, sorry. Hi, I'm Michelle. Thank you for joining me here. I am just going to review two sunglasses I got from Socorro Rose. Well, sure. And I found out about them from this lady that I follow. Oh my gosh. She's like a fashion influencer. If I have the name, I'll put it up. I like her, and she had on glasses that I liked. And then I found out this is a black-owned company, and I wanted to buy the two glasses. Now, if I'm going to wear this, I have to wear contacts, but I'll show you. Okay, I'll show you the glasses, because this is how it comes in this box. Open it like this, and ooh, this is the glasses cleaner. Oh, this is the container, the glasses case. Isn't this cute? This is the glasses case, and this glasses is called, I'll put it up on the screen what this one is called. But yeah, if I'm wearing, and I like glasses, but I'll have to wear contacts, and I have dry eyes. So, anyways. So this is the glasses. Ooh, I like it. There's the Socorro Rose here. It's nice. I like it. Alright, so I love the packaging. So I'm gonna put the glasses in here. Oh, I really like the packaging. And put the glasses cleaner in here. Now, the second glasses, which is how I was influenced, because I really, really like her. So, this is the second glasses. Again, packaging is really nice. Comes like this. Of course, this is also the bag, same color. And this is the glasses that she had. And I was gonna say to myself, just go on your phone and find her. I'm recording on my phone. So this is it. She was saying, oh, this is Socorro Rose. I'm like, what is Socorro Rose? Ooh. Yes. I love it. I have to give it, oh yeah. I love this. And my face, the frames that mostly fit my face are square, rectangle, a little bit more wider, not wider. Is this wider? The words aren't coming to me. But, oh, don't mind this. I just did a haul. A haul of this. Oh, look at that. Anyways, so I really, really like this. Oh, I gotta break out the contacts for this. I so love it. I love the color, I love the blue lens. Whew. It's really nice. It's really nice. So yeah, I just wanted to do a quick review of that. I'm gonna keep this on. I can't see anything unless I come close. Oh, I love this. It will get some use. Although I hate putting it in contact. This is the thing with me. I love sunglasses. I have to wear glasses. It takes a lot of money to put prescription sunglasses in these frames. A lot. And sometimes I do use Zenni, but Zenni doesn't have things that I like. You know, and then it's more money because I have progressive lens. So progressive lens costs more, and then to put shades and get also what is the treatment on the glasses? Polarize, because I live in Florida, and when that sunbeam comes on you, I've seen so many accidents because of the sunshine in the mornings when driving to work. It's horrible. So I went to Target and I just, one time I got some Ray-Bans. I had to fork it out. That was over $300, and it's worth it because it's polarized Ray-Bans, and they help because I had an accident right in front of me because that sun was shining in people's faces. Anyways, so those are my 2 unpacking of Socorro Rose. There's still other things besides glasses. I think I see some candles. I see some other knickknacks on them, but these are my 2. I'll make sure I put up who I got the was influenced by. She's in New York. I really like her too. So that's it. All right, this was 6 minutes. I don't think I need to edit anything. I think I did a good job. Yay me! Am I gonna post this? I better. Okay, bye. Thank you for watching my video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.